Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M32 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have location tags option with short information that this adds tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about the location and the internet to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is it. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have access to the map with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.